Hey gang, Matt from Matt's Red Show here. Today we've traveled up to Ham Lake, Minnesota to Route 65 Sales and Classic Cars. They got some fun classic cars in there, actually for some pretty decent prices too. It's a fun spot to check out, lots of classic car stuff in there. Just a fun classic car spot, so I always gotta head out up here sometime in the winter time just to check it out again. And I usually get out here too for a car show or two over the summer, so it's a good spot for the old classic car world, and we're gonna snoop around in there and see what we can find. So thanks for tuning in to this episode, gang. Let's get in there, see what we got. Alright, we'll start right here. This 49 Chevy Styleline. Look at this. 49 Chevy delivery. This is awesome. Are shining in the sun here. This thing's really cool. And the inside looks really nice too. Look at this here, 41 Diamond T. I don't know if I've ever seen one of these at any of the shows I've been to. I've seen a few Diamond T trucks, not many. I don't think I've ever seen a 41 here. This is nice, it's got an inline 6. Spare tire on the side here. The bed's looking real nice. Look at this Diamond T on the back here. This thing's awesome. If I can get the thing here for you. There you are. Info. Might be a little hard to read. This one's a little more expensive. She's in really good condition. And you don't see these too often. That is a really cool truck. It's a 77 GMC truck. Got some nice flames in the hood here. Yeah, that ain't too bad. Got the nice bed, wood bed in the back here. The subtle flames coming out of the GMC there. This is a nice truck. We like it. Inside here, nice big old bench seat, gotta love that. Here's a 32 hot rod Roadster, if you will. It's got a Corvette engine in it. It's got the rumble seat in the back here. White walls. This is pretty this is pretty cool. This would be a fun car. I love that. Big old fat tires. All the nice pinstriping here on the dash. Yeah, someone put some work into this. I don't see a price on it anywhere. Info on it. Maybe I can dig that up online. Here's a 59 Thunderbird. Yeah, that's pretty good. 59 Ford Thunderbird for under 20,000. That's pretty awesome. Looks like she's in fairly decent shape too. Oh, look at that! I love the inside of these. Pending sale of this Ford here. Yeah, 1950 Ford F1. Pending sale though, so I think it's probably sold. They're asking $32 for this. But like I said, I think it's sold. It's a nice truck. See why it's sold? Good looking bed. Yeah, awesome, good. Here's a 1968 Chevy C10. It's got 327. That's a nice truck. Here's a 61 Ford Galaxie. Ford Galaxie. Get ready for the price here. Look at that. That is a good price for this car. I mean, the body looks really good too. I don't see anything wrong. This is a nice car for that price. Myself back here to try to get the jet engines again here for you. Here's a 73 Chevy Cheyenne Suburban. Cheyenne Super 10. Look at this thing. Again, this is a pretty decent price for an old Chevy Suburban like this. It's got a little patina on the bodywork, but it's a pretty cool old truck, man. Look at that. That's amazing. Here's a cute little 78 MG Midget. They're only asking like 6,000 something for this. I don't know if I'd fit. An old Cadillac here. I'm not sure. I don't have any information on this one. It's a Cadillac Coupe Deville. Behind her, here's an old 59 Edsel. Look at that. Old Ford Edsel. I was just recently watching Pee Wee Herman's Big Adventure, and the convict that picks up Pee Wee Herman is driving an old Ford Edsel. I'd forgotten about that. He gets picked up hitchhiking, and the convict is driving an old Ford Edsel. It's kind of random. This is in decent shape here. An Edsel Ranger. Yeah, that's cool. Not sure how much they're asking for it. Here's a 65 Oldsmobile Starfire. Got a little patina on her, but this is a pretty cool old car. These Oldsmobile Starfires is pretty cool. Look at that. I mean, she's got some patina on her, but I just love the design in the front there that they did. Needs some paint work, but she could be a real beauty. Here's a 1960 Chevy Biscayne. Needs a little work. Body looks pretty nice. Needs some trim pieces. I don't know if they have those stored somewhere or not. Needs some interior. Needs a new front seat there. Reupholstered. Needs to be reupholstered, looks like. Yeah, so a little bit of a project car, but not too much work needed for a 60 Biscayne. Shoot. Yeah, here's a 67 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Yeah, that's not a bad price, right, for old Oldsmobile Cutlass. Yeah, she needs a little work, of course, for that price. The body needs a little work here and there, but seats need a little work. Not sure how the engine's doing, but yeah, not bad. Oldsmobile Cutlass for under 15. Oh, look at here. This might be my favorite car so far. 51 Chevy Bel Air. It's like a dark, like I think it's a navy blue and white. Look at this thing. That's awesome. How much are they asking for this one, I wonder? Shoot, only $24.99. Power Glide. Looks pretty good sitting there. I'm liking this one a lot. Really cool. Alright. Got some older Fords here. Let's take a look here, see what we got. Yeah, I think it's a 29 Ford. 4 there. Rumble seat in the back. Little spot to step on, getting up in there. Got the spoke tires. Yeah, so going from the 1920, I think it's a 29 Ford Model A to a 1930 Ford Model A. Looks like they have a 31 next to it over there. This one also has 4-cylinder. This 31 Ford Model A. Kind of cool, they all have the, well, not all of them, but the rumble seat in the back. Gotta love that. Here's a 51 Ford. Imagine this girl with a new paint job. She's a beauty. The body looks pretty nice. Might need some new interior. Maybe not, I don't know. Depends on what you like, I guess. And she's a bit of a project car. Probably needs maybe somebody can get her, give her a good home, put her in the right clothes. Yeah, can't go back there, but they got a Mercury Montclair they're working on back there coming down the line. Look at that. Yeah, buddy. Stay tuned for that. Alright, cruise back to this room back here, see what they got. A lot of the cars back here sometimes aren't for sale. So that 55 there is not for sale. Oh, Pontiac Catalina convertible. Not sure if that's for sale or not. I got a Lincoln Continental here, I think. Yeah. 69 Lincoln Continental. They're only asking $12,900 for it. Pretty cool Lincoln. It needs a little work, of course, but look at the back, the way they designed the back. Look at that. Goes right into the back. It's cool. Yeah. This could be a pretty cool car. Yeah. This is an old T-Bucket C cab here. I wonder if I saw this. I think I might have seen this last time. So that's probably not for sale either. It's pretty cool though. That's cool. Little 73 Triumph here. Here's a 94 Corvette for $17,900. Here's an 89 Corvette. Alright, well, I think that's all she wrote here for this episode. Fun little stop, fun place to go to, fun place to snoop around if you're ever in the area in Ham Lake off of Route 65. Yeah, I think my favorites of today were the Diamond T truck here. I like this Chevy Delivery, the 49 Chevy Delivery. And honestly, this 32 Ford Roadster over here, I mean, it's got a Corvette engine in it. It's 32 Roadster, whatever you want to call it at this point. I like that one too. Edsel, F59 Edsel was pretty cool to see too. Yeah, so they got some nice little spots to come and check out if you got some time. I think I'm gonna head on down the road. Yeah, look at this. Before we even get inside here real quick, we got an old 49 Ford, you know, truck. See if I can, look at that. I wonder if it's for sale. Check on the website. That's pretty cool. Great Northern Railway, it says on the side there. Stupid fence got out of my way. Let's see what we got here. Yeah. That's kind of cool. Stuck my tripod up there a little bit so I could check it out. Alrighty gang, well that's gonna about do it for today's episode. Please do give it that thumbs up for me today if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for stopping by and checking out these cars with me today. I'm gonna travel on down the road. It's a cold day here in Minnesota, so I appreciate you guys watching. And traveling down the road, and we'll catch you on the next one, guys. Appreciate it. Check you later. Okay, bye.